कभी किसी ने आप पर काला जादू किया है क्या?
Hey, why do you ask this question?
I feel simple and pure people like you get targeted by the dark side. Because I've also been that.
Ah,
And I know your answer is yes also, but it's up to if
yeah.
you want to share it or not.
I don't mind sharing it, yeah. So what? There was a time, like when I had met like a guru, and he gave me his blessings and all of that. And then later on, like a day later or something, when he spoke to my mom, he said that, when I went into deeper meditation, I could tell that somebody has done Vashikaran on her, which shocked me. And I would have not believed it for the life of me if it was not that guru. Like I know that he is genuine. Nothing to lose, nothing to, like he had nothing to lose, he had nothing to gain. He told me the truth, the absolute truth. And that really made me think that, मतलब ये जो हम सोचते सुनते हैं, like even from other actresses की industry में काला जादू होता है and all of that, it got me thinking that yeah, ये हो सकता है, हुआ था शायद.
But कुछ feel हो रहा था आपको उससे पहले?
uh, See, feel matlab, it can maybe give a lot of do a lot of negative things, like matlab aapne like I had a phase where I had signed 3 films, like big films, signing amounts in, and that year was so funny, like all 3 films with signing amounts didn't take off on project level itself. The projects got shelved, and they were big films, like AB Corp film tha, एक टिप्स की फिल्म थी, एक आई डोंट रिमेंबर विच वन, बट बहुत बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में थी. तो मुझे भी लगा कि ये थोड़ा सा वियर्ड हो गया, पर इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके, ऐसे होता है.
इतने सारे स्पिरिचुअल पॉडकास्ट करे हमने. एक रेपेटिटिव थीम निकल के आती थी स्पेशली तंत्र के पॉडकास्ट पर कि वन थिंग दैट यू मस्ट प्रे फॉर स्पेशली इफ यू हैव फाउंड सक्सेस इन लाइफ इज प्रोटेक्शन.
ओह,
यू नीड टू प्रे फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. और ये मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक था लाइफ में. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक टू द पॉइंट वे इंटरनली आई वॉज इनविंसिबल. और इस साल मुझे पता चला कि इनविंसिबिलिटी की फीलिंग एक क्या कहते हैं, हैलुसिनेशन है. There's no such thing as invincibility. Yeah, there's no such thing as invincibility.
Okay.
You have to constantly pray for protection or do things for protection,
Yeah.
which I've totally started doing now.
Yeah. I think I'll follow your advice.